In this video, I'll be showing you how you can change your font size on the DeepSeek app. Simple and easy. So what you need to do is tap on the hamburger menu you see on top there. Top left corner, you can see the arrow on your screen. Just tap on that. Good. And you can see this is your account here. Just tap on that there. Good. And now scroll to the top and you can see font size. Just tap on that. Good. And now to adjust it, what you need to do is just turn that off. Yeah, and you can see making it big, and then you drag it. So you just be dragging it from the small a to the capital A, you get it. Yeah, so to make it smaller, to make it bigger, you just drag it to the capital side. Yeah, so I want it this way, but then if you have eye problem, drag it to the big one. Yeah, and that's it on how you adjust your font size on your DeepSeek app. If you are new here, give me a like, subscribe to my channel. Peace.